Now let's see how the back row is. It looks like there's a pretty steep drop here that could give some nice air time, so yeah, we'll see how good they are. See all the flags on the lift hill, reminds me of Holiday World. Here we go. Couldn't tell by me sliding all over the seat. This thing has some serious laterals. Yeah, this is a really good coaster. And I'm excited to see what this thing does with a full train. I mean, these runs are the first few runs of the morning, so it's only gonna get faster.